Hey, you are watching the YouTube channel of Enviro Annotations, India's first environmental weekly newspaper. Here are the headlines from our 26th July 2023 issue. Central government introduces new amendments to e-waste rules, emphasizes responsible refrigerant management, enhanced recycling practices, refines electrical and electronic equipment regulations. MoEF&CC extends exemption period for standalone re-rolling and cold rolling units. The central government on 20th July 2022 had directed all the standalone re-rolling units or cold rolling units in operation on the date of the notification with valid consent to establish and consent to operate from the respective State Pollution Control Board or Union Territory Pollution Control Committee to apply online for the grant of terms of reference followed by the environmental clearance. NGT addresses waste management complaints in Jaipur as well as Uttar Pradesh. The National Green Tribunal Principal Bench took up the original application number 449 of 2023 filed by Ashok Malik against the Commissioner of Jaipur Municipal Corporation and others to address the serious concerns regarding waste mismanagement in Jaipur. Malik accused the Jaipur Municipal Corporation of flouting multiple waste management rules, leading to widespread littering and environmental pollution in the city. In another case, the tribunal addressed the grievance raised by Sanjay Tiwari against the Union of India and others in original application number 109 of 2023 regarding the unscientific dumping of biomedical waste and non-compliance with environmental clearance conditions in Uttar Pradesh. NGT takes up Deomali Hilltop development project violations case. The National Green Tribunal Eastern Zone Bench, comprising Justice B. Amit Sthalekar, Judicial Member, and Dr. Arun Kumar Varma, Expert Member, conducted a hearing on original application number 76 of 2023 Eastern Zone Bench. The application filed by the Wildlife Society of Odisha against the State of Odisha and others raises serious concerns about the alleged environmental violations in development project at Deomali Hilltop in Koraput district of Odisha. Deomali is known for its unique endemic species of flora and fauna. The NGT bench expressed its concern over the matter and issued notices to all respondents, including the Odisha Biodiversity Board. The respondents have been given 4 weeks' time to respond to the notices. The case will be further heard on 23rd August 2023. NGT finds MoEF&CC affidavit carelessly filed, lacking verification and authenticity. Judicial intervention proves effective. Sewage issue in a Bhopal colony gets attention and action. ZLD in Industry 2 sector, Kalahandi Distillery Project and IWAS, NRTR Green Fuel and Energy Private Limited's distillery plant in Bija Common Village, Kesinga Tehsil, Kalahandi district of Odisha, was granted as usual zero liquid discharge outside factory premises. This does not limit the industry from discharging wastewater inside the factory premises, and hence ZLD seems to be an IWAS. The Industry 2 Sector Projects Expert Appraisal Committee of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change in its 17th to 18th July 2023 meeting allowed EcoStills India Limited to use 100% rice husk as fuel in the 6 megawatt cogeneration power plant, and this was done so through an amendment of the EC. However, the incremental ground level concentration GLC data for air pollutants like PM10, PM2.5, SO2, NO2 and carbon monoxide showed a substantial increase despite the claim that the change in fuel would decrease the GLC. AC asks Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation to get clarification on exemption. The Expert Appraisal Committee for Projects Related to Coastal Regulation Zone, CRZ, on 10th July 2023, under the chairmanship of Dr. Deepak Arunapte, suggested the corporation to seek guidance from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, as the corporation claimed that under the Railway Act, provision of special dispensation for the railways to be exempted from seeking clearances under other statutes. However, they could not produce any documentary support to their claim during the meeting. 153 pending projects seeking EIA clearance. In the recent Lok Sabha session, members of Parliaments Subrat Pathak and Kogen Murmu raised questions regarding the status of pending projects seeking environmental clearances. Responding to their queries, Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhupendra Yadav revealed that as of 20th July 2023, there were a total of 153 proposals at central, state and UT government's level at various stages of consideration. Maharashtra, maximum number of 45 projects, followed by 26 in Tamil Nadu, 12 in Punjab and 11 in Odisha. Rayalaseema irrigation project delay. The state government of Andhra Pradesh has sought an amendment to the existing environmental clearances for the Rayalaseema irrigation lift project. The proposal was submitted on 8 June 2021. It was considered by the Sectoral Expert Appraisal Committee, EAC, in the meetings held in the middle of June 2021 and 7th July 2021. Based on the appraisal, the EAC has sought additional information from the project proponent for further evaluation of the project. The requisite additional information sought is not yet submitted. Ayush Minister highlights government's efforts to promote medicinal plant cultivation. Responding to queries from Lok Sabha MPs Vishnu Dutt Sharma and Sudarshan Bhagat, the Minister of Ayush, Sarvanand Sonowal, emphasized the government's commitment to promoting the cultivation and utilization of medicinal plants in India. The centrally sponsored scheme of National Ayush Mission has played a pivotal role in supporting the cultivation and prioritized medicinal plants on farmers' lands. The Ministry of Ayush has provided assistance for 56,305 hectares of land. Madhya Pradesh leads in the cultivation of medicinal plants with support for 12,551 hectares of land, followed by Uttar Pradesh 12,300 hectares, and Andhra Pradesh with 4,350 hectares. Organic revolution in Indian agriculture. ICAR's breakthrough in eco-friendly fertilizers promises greener agriculture future. Forest Conservation Amendment Bill 2023, Lok Sabha gives green light. Environmentalists protest against the bill, fear ecological impact. SECL's plantation programs, a legal obligation or environmental commitment. A recent government press release highlights Southeastern Coalfields Limited, SECL, a subsidiary of Coal India Limited, to invest in plantation activities in the states of Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. It says SECL will invest 169 crore rupees over the next 5 years for plantation work with an additional 4 years for maintenance. However, the company has to do a huge number of plantation to meet various environmental and forest clearances. 10,43,000 plants at Dhanpuri open cast mines, including OB dumps and non-dumps area, and at Amlai OC open cast mine, 3,31,350 plants were to meet environmental clearance conditions. However, it has not reported about the plant survival rates. Similarly, for Khairaha Underground Project, SECL Sohagpur area, the EC mandates plantation of 50,000 native trees, out of which 34,000 have been planted. There is no data given on the plant survival rates. For Kusmunda open cast mines, the EC dated 10th January 2020 mandates plantation of 1 lakh native trees. As per the latest compliance report, this work is still incomplete. This indicates that the plantation programs of SECL are primarily legal driven. Which state leads the Nagar Ban scheme, dominating in approved projects and total area? Since its inception in 2020, the Nagar Ban scheme has received approval of 385 projects across the country. Telangana leads with the highest number of 47 approved projects, followed by 40 in Odisha and 33 in Jharkhand. However, in terms of the total area approved, Madhya Pradesh ranks first with 942.14 hectares, followed by Jharkhand with 771.67 hectare and Mizoram 730.8 hectare of land. OAC Manoj Tiwari, Nishikant Dubey raised concerns on plastic ban implementation. Niti Aayog launches revamped IESS 2047 version 3 to assess India's green energy policies impact. Indian Climate Energy Dashboard. IESS is India Energy Security Scenarios. Editorial opinion. FC Amendment Bill 2023 straying from legal and ecological wisdom. Another editorial opinion, the power of environmental activism. The article cites inspiring examples of activism which reinforce environmental preservation through legal and judicial channels. July 2023, on track to shatter heat records. The article by Sunita Mishra discusses July 2023 marks a record-breaking heat wave with forecasts indicating it will surpass the previous record by 0.2 degrees Celsius due to human-caused greenhouse gases. Experts stress urgent action to address extreme conditions, adapt to shifting monsoon patterns, and mitigate impacts on agriculture. REC Chandigarh approves 3 proposals for forest land diversion. JSW Foundation's mangrove restoration project in Raigad district, Maharashtra. Kejriwal government launches water ATMs to ensure equitable access to clean drinking water, but concerns over RO systems remain. Execution application against MoEF&CC over Ghaziabad solid waste burning. Jayashree Bansal has filed an execution application number 23 of 2023 before the National Green Tribunal's principal bench. The application has been filed against the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and others. The NGT bench comprising Justice Shivkumar Singh, Chairperson, Justice Arun Kumar Tyagi, Judicial Member and an expert member convened on 21st July 2023 to hear the matter. Lok Sabha MP raises questions on chemical and petrochemical accidents spillages in India. The Lok Sabha deliberations reveal that the data of maximum injuries recorded to be 4,017 in Andhra Pradesh during 2020. The maximum number of incidents of gas chemical leakages in 1 year was 26 in Telangana in the year 2016. Telangana also records the maximum number of fatalities in a year, that is 35, during 2 consecutive years, 2015 and 2016. 176 accidents took place during 2018 to 2022, with a maximum number of 66 in 2020 and a minimum of 4 in 2022. Gujarat recorded 57 out of 176 accidents, followed by Telangana 50 during 2018 and 2022. In a single year during the same 5 years, Gujarat recorded a maximum of 25 accidents.